Research shows utility systems use 65% of pharmaceutical factories as energy. A mid-sized pharma factory with three 1,000 kilowatt chillers spends roughly RMB 5 million yearly on chilled water power. A 10% waste rate means 500,000 in annual energy losses. What causes these wastes? Key causes include untimely adjustments, energy waste from varying operator expertise, lack of real-time equipment monitoring, over-reliance on traditional scheduled PM instead of predictive maintenance, and suboptimal efficiency. AUSTAR's AI Cloud Intelligent Control System addresses this issue. AI and big data drive energy, emission, and consumption cuts. Lean concepts plus optimized assessments combine management and tech for full factory energy visibility, hitting energy and carbon reduction, cost and efficiency optimization goals. AUSTAR just finished an energy-saving project for a biopharma firm, deploying energy management, air compressor digital control, and intelligent systems for chilled/circulating water and heat sources. We achieved unattended operation, efficiency gains with fewer staff, and 30% less management man-hours. It ensures safe supply and lower consumption, 3% air compressor savings, 16.5% chilled water savings. Building a green, energy-efficient digital factory with AI and big data.